Look at the kind of potatoes we got. They're getting bigger and bigger, and I'm pretty excited because the moment I get to those big plants, then you're gonna see. Then you're gonna see just how beautiful those are. This is not even half a row, and we already have quite a bit of potatoes. I think the potatoes was a success. The onions, we got maybe a quarter pail, which is not entirely bad. But I mean, we did have like 4 rows. So, which is not as good as the potatoes, that's for sure. I'm excited to go closer and closer to see how the big ones are. Seeing some pretty big ones. I think the biggest ones we got so far. It's like potatoes in our own garden. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Gonna make French fries. Woo-hoo-hoo. And this is not even our biggest plant yet. Look at this big monster. Hand reference. Head reference. That's a big one,
Those
man.
are big.
Awesome. Winter has arrived. It's about 0 degrees outside. We're close to it anyway, overnight. And we are just collecting the last of the vegetables. Our fasole didn't make it. There is some that did make it, and those we're gonna make a soup de fasole with. And then the pastei, I don't know. It might be too far advanced for pastei soup. Anyway, I'm doing the
Beets.
beets. She planted those late, but those are nice. Oh, we have some carrots that came out late as well. We got all the potatoes. Whoa!